Alright guys, so in today's video, I will giving you an update about CyberCity, and this is everything that I see inside this project, and what is going on in this, okay? Because I've made a video about this project before, and there are some people that are asking me what is happening in CyberCity, okay? And can you share me some of the giveaways and stuff, and of course that I will be announcing today, because we are going to have a giveaway wherein we're going to give some NFTs and some NFT lands from some of our loyal viewers as well. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, you are missing out literally. And of course, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so just a quick introduction about CyberCity, because maybe you are lazy on watching my previous video about CyberCity. Again, this is an open economy play to earn game that is inside the Fantom Blockchain. So if you do not have yet a Fantom Blockchain, please take your time and add this right now, and I will be putting it as well into the description box below, so that you will be able to add Fantom Blockchain into your Metamask. So you just go into switch networks, okay? Playing this in Fantom Blockchain is not hard, to be honest. And going back, okay, it has the tradable NFT assets, means you fully own what you actually buy in the marketplace, and they are aiming to deliver a high quality gaming experience with the sustainable tokenomics, which we are going to discuss later on. And they're trying to aim the real playing experience that is really fun, and as a side of it, you can also earn from it, okay, passively. So okay, they actually have a whitelist. Okay, this is the whitelist. I will be putting it as well into the description box below. Also the Discord link. Okay, so I actually saw it in here. So they do have 15,000 members, and there are some ambassadors that we actually know that are part of it, and like Alrock. So you can see that I am not the only one who are like creating this video. And just to let you know, okay, I just created this video because I fully support NFT games in our crypto niche today. So I hope that they succeed, and we're just going to review and see if there are some red flags. But currently, there's not much. Okay, so again, these are some of the NFTs that you can probably get: Cyber Samurai, Armored Shiba, Hage, Cyber Spirit, Dead Priest, Mectopus, and we've created a video last year about this, and currently they actually accomplished these roadmaps that they have, and they are looking forward into the public sale, and also in the IDO. And to be honest, if you're just going back in here, guys, and if you're going to read in the announcements, okay, the IDO or the whitelist are very exclusive. And if you want to actually get in here early, okay, without paying that much, okay, until the public sale has been started, I guess you should try your luck. You should fulfill all of the requirements as fast as you can, because a lot of people in here are actually like going through the bones just to finish, and just to comply, and they're actually even asking anything. Okay, you can see into their Discord group, they are even active, and there's a lot of people that are saying good morning, and then there's a lot of people that are asking questions about CyberCity. And I think if you are an NFT gamer, if you are a play to earn gamer, if you are just something who are just starting up in cryptocurrency, it is very important for you to ask questions. And that is why I would invite you, or I would recommend you to actually join the Discord group right now if you are interested in CyberCity, so that you can ask any questions that you have, okay, in mind. Okay, and there will be no foods, okay. It will be very very clear. Okay, so now let's go into the they do have this the documentation. Okay, and I've mentioned about the tokenomics, and this is what I see. All right, so the total supply is just 300 million, which is very low, and I like it, to be honest. I like it, and and if you're going to look in here, just look at the liquidity, 262 million. That's, I guess that's more than 80%. Damn. Right? This is what I'm talking about. You should support, or you should get in. Not a financial advice, but in my case, you should get into this kind of game that has a high amount of liquidity, and also not taking that much of the money, okay, for the supporters, for the team, for the private run and stuff. This is very important, to be honest, guys. And and also, this is just the maximum amount. And I didn't see tokenomics like this before, to be honest. I'm not going to lie, guys, because of course Pegasus like has this burning stuff, have this like stuff that is like very limited. But I mean, this in-game liquidity says a lot. It says a lot. You can probably tell that they are in the long-term side of the game. They are looking to make sure that the play to earn in cryptocurrency are sustainable and profitable. Okay, I hope it's pretty much clear with you guys. Okay, and of course there are some unboxing that you can probably do if you are going to join the marketplace, which is going to be coming this May. Okay, so if you're actually going to go back into the announcement section over here, okay, you can see, okay, that they're closing in the IDO and NFT pre-sale, and of course the whitelist spot will come soon this coming May, and there's only 50 IDO spots in here. And of course the first thing that you need to do is you need to submit the proofs of your identity. Means, did you actually help the project to grow? Because that's the only way for you to be able to get a whitelist, for you to be able to get an IDO. And to be honest, supporting this kind of game is not even bad for you, because they present a lot of things that are going to be very promising in the future. Okay, you can see that there's even a fact if you have any questions. There's even a Medium article wherein you can just hop in, and there's a lot of blogs in here, and there's a lot of things just really going on. And I will be putting everything actually into the description box below. And also for the NFT giveaway, okay guys, please comment down below. I will be picking 1 or 2 people, okay, that are going to comment in my TikTok and in my YouTube video. And of course, you need to tell me why you deserve CyberCity. What are your plans on your NFT in CyberCity? Okay, how you will grow, how you'll be able to position yourself for you to be able to get a bigger or make more money probably in CyberCity. Tell me more about it in the description box below. And also, why should I give you? Okay, do you have a money? If not, why? Okay, what are you going to do for the money that you might earn in CyberCity? So please comment it down below so that I will be checking it, and I will be choosing the very good prospect that deserves it. Okay, so I guess please no strings attached on this one. I'm just doing my job, guys. Okay, I want to make sure that the people that I'm going to give away this kind of NFT truly deserves it. Okay, and of course, if you do not have any questions at the moment, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict here. We're going to update you in the next few weeks to come about CyberCity, so please stay tuned in my channel for more updates, and see you on the next video.